up in the sky, it's Action Hero!
If I'm gonna be an action hero, I need to be strong. Big steps, strong arms. If I'm gonna be an action hero, I need to be brave. Stand tall, look great, jump up, jump down, high off the ground, fly all around. 1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. Oh, oh, you and me, we can be action heroes. Oh, oh.
With a flash before your eyes, Action Hero zooms right by!
1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. If I'm gonna be an action hero, I'll need to be fast. Quick arms, quick legs. If I'm gonna be an action hero, I'll need to be smart. Look out here, look out there, jump up, jump down, high off the ground, fly all around. 1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. Oh, oh, you and me, we can be action heroes. Oh, oh.
Faster than an aeroplane, built just like a speeding train.
1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. With a will of steel and a heart of gold, everyone's hero, young and old. Action hero,
A million people can't be wrong.
action hero.
Action Hero, you're the one.
1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. Let's all be action heroes. Let's all be action heroes. Let's all be action heroes.
You're my hero, Action Hero.
Hi, I'm Mary.
Hi, I'm Ainsley.
Hi, I'm Stevie.
Hi, I'm Tanika. Hi, I'm Diane.
And together, we're High Five.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the High Five House.
You know, animals can sure do some impressive things.
Some of them can fly through the air, zooming over land and sea. Squawk!
And some can reach the highest trees to find yummy food.
All animals are special, even the smallest ones.
We have to make sure we look after all the animals of the world.
So they continue to fly.
Roam and swim.
Forever and ever.
So let's go and explore super animals. Jump, jump. Hi, I'm Super Frog Diane, doing my jumping practice for the Froggy Olympics. Super frogs can jump really high and really far. Jump, 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 jump. Well, this pond is a great place to practice my jumping. 1, 2, 3 lily pads. I'll see if I can jump on all the lily pads to get across to the other side. Super frog, jump, jump up high. Jump across to the other side. Super frog, jump, bounce and spring. Do a super jumping thing. Yay! I made it all the way across to the other side. Ribbit. That sounds like a fly. Super frogs love to catch flies. Wonder if I can catch this one. Ribbit, ribbit. Jump, jump, lily pad. Ribbit. Where's it gone? I think this fly is hiding from me. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Jump, jump, lily pad. Oh, no flies here. Oh well, time for more jumping practice. Oh, hey, something looks different in the pond. I'm sure there were more lily pads here before. Well, there were 3 lily pads, and now there's only 1. Oh, I have to jump much further to get across to the other side. Well, I am Super Frog Diane after all. Super Frog, jump, jump up high. Jump across to the other side. Super Frog, jump, bounce and spring. Do a super jumping thing. Yay! I got across to the other side. Oh, that was much harder, but I did it, and that was awesome jumping practice too. Think I'm ready for the Froggy Olympics. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Jump, jump, frog jump. Ribbit, ribbit.
Hiding should go over there. Just be careful. Can you find me? There's someone.
High five! Riddip, riddip. Super frogs love to swim. Let's try some frog kicks. Out, together, bend and up. Out, together, bend and up. Now some froggy arms. Reach, push and back around. Reach, push and back around. It's a lovely day for a swim. The water's fine, so come on in. Kick and glide, it's really nice to float around and swim, so come on in. Frog swimming is fun. Riddip, riddip. Let's do it again. It's a lovely day for a swim. The water's fine, so come on in. Kick and glide, it's really nice to float around and swim, so come on in. Riddip, riddip, riddip.
Stevie Super Elephant here in the jungle. Hey, look, some baby elephants. Hello there, baby elephants. Whoa, sounds like a storm's coming. And look, some big storm clouds. Uh-oh, but the baby elephants are gonna need an elephant shelter. I know, Stevie Super Elephant will use his super strength to build an elephant shelter. Well, I better get moving. Whew. Okay, so these big rocks will make a nice shelter. But first, I need to clear some space. I need to push this big log out of the way. It's pretty heavy. But Stevie Super Elephant is super strong. Superhero elephant, big and strong. Working hard to get the job done. Use my super muscles all day long. Superhero elephant, big and strong. Oh, yes, all clear. And now I can build a nice safe shelter for the baby elephants. Did you know that super elephants use their super trunk to check out the size and shape of things? That's super cool. Okay, let's give it a go. Now this rock is a nice rectangle shape. Looks pretty heavy. I know. Stevie Super Elephant will use his super strength to move it. All right. Superhero elephant, big and strong. Working hard to get the job done. Use my super muscles all day long. Superhero elephant, big and strong. There we go, baby elephants. We have walls, nice and solid. Now we just need a roof. Oh, hey, look, a big, large palm frond. And it's just the right size. Well, that should keep the rain out. There we go. A nice, safe shelter for you. Oh, and just in time, here comes the storm. Stevie the super elephant saves the day again.
Super stumpy elephants. This looks like a good place to dance. A super stumpy elephant dance with some hip hop too. Elephant hip hop. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Super strong. Arms can't crump. Super elephant. Jump, jump, jump. Elephant hip hop. Stop. Now giraffe. Up for your huff, elephants. Come on, let's do some super stumpy hip hop moves. Elephant hip hop. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Super strong. Arms can't crump. Super elephant. Jump, jump, jump. Elephant hip hop. Stop. Now giraffe. Super stompy elephants, your hip hop rocks.
Wanna take a carrot? There we go.
Hold it, yeah.
Oh!
Here we go.
It's all right, Gus. That's all right. Hold it out for him. Wow. High five!
Hey, Tanika, is that my favourite book you got there?
Yep, the animal alphabet book, chats.
Awesome! What fabulous animal letter are we looking up today?
How about the letter F? F for fabulous.
Fabulous!
Here's one. A
Fish!
a super special kind of fish. A flying fish.
Flying? Fish don't fly, they swim!
But this is a special fish, chats. It's got fins like wings.
Oh, fascinating!
Super flying fish. Flying through the air. Fascinating and fantastic. This super fish is quite gymnastic. Super flying fish. Flying through the air.
Flying animals? Fantastic! Are there any other flying animals in the book?
Here's another one. A flying fox.
Ooh, a super furry flying fox.
And a furry flying fox flies fast.
Oh, what's that one?
A super duper flying frog.
Frogs don't fly, they jump. Everybody knows that.
But this frog flies, chats.
Where are its wings?
It has stretchy skin here and here. Spreads out like wings.
Fancy that.
Super flying frog. Flying through the air. Fascinating and fantastic. This super frog is quite gymnastic. Super flying frog. Flying through the air.
Fantabulous, Tanika. Wouldn't it be fun to fly?
It'd be great. And surprise! I've got a fun flying cape for you too, chats.
Wow, fantastically fabulous.
Oh, hey, I'm a click beetle. I make a super clicking sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear that beat? Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you hear the beat? There's rhythm in your body and rhythm in your feet. You know, it'd be great if I had some other super beetle sounds to go with my clicking. I could put together a band. I just need a little help from my friends. Oh, hey, Banjo Beetle. Would you like to be in my band?
Yeah, yeah.
Great!
Love to play banjo in your band.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you hear the beat?
I can hear the beat.
Well, what have you got there, Drum Beetle? It looks heavy.
He ain't heavy. He my drum.
Ooh, cool. We could use drums in our band.
Oh.
So we've got the banjo and the drums and clicking. Well, that's a great start to our group. Oh, look, here's Rattle Beetle.
Hi, Super Beetle friends.
Ooh, great rattle sound. Would you like to join our band?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay, Beetles, let's play, Super Beetles.
The beat. Wiggle the rhythm.
What's the matter, Click Beetle?
We need to play and sing together if we're going to be in a band. Now, I can keep the beat with my click. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, we can hear the beat.
We'll follow your beat, and that'll keep us in time.
Right. Now, I'll click to count us in. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you hear the beat? There's rhythm in your body and rhythm in your feet. Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you feel the beat? Super Beetle music sounds super sweet. Nice! Us Beetles make a super band. Yeah!
Oh, Chats!
Oh, hello, Tinker. Where is Chat?
I'm here. Oh, you found a cape, Tinker. You look like a superhero. Super Tinker.
Super Tinker. Oh, Ari's going to love this. Ari!
Ari.
Ari!
Hey, where is Ari?
Oh, biddity beep. Where is?
Yes, where is Ari? I'm here. Tinker's here. Horace is here. But where is Ari?
Oh, biddity beep bop. Where is Ari?
Where is Ari? Where is he? Super Tinker will save the day.
Where is Ari? Where is he?
We will find him in our own special way.
Biddity beep bop. Where is Ari?
Oh, you didn't find him, Tinker? Oh, where is Ari?
Oh, he's disappeared. What's a worm to do?
Oh, don't worry, Horace. Super Tinker will find him no matter where he is.
Oh, but, he could be anywhere. He could even be in outer space.
Well, that's where we'll go. To outer space.
Oh, hello, Super Tinker. Where is Chats?
Here I am. Oh, it's you, Horace.
Where is Ari?
Oh, don't worry. We'll find him.
Where is Ari?
Where is he? Super Tinker will save the day.
Where is Ari?
Where is he? We will find him in our own special way.
We've looked everywhere and we still haven't found him.
Oh, I must say, worms are very good at hiding.
Biddity beep.
Can you hear something, Tinker? My wormy ears aren't as good as they used to be.
Sounds like someone snoring.
Oh, sounds like Ari snoring.
Where is that snoring coming from, Super Tinker?
Biddity beep bop. Snoring book.
Ari!
Hello, Tinker.
There you are, old bean.
Oh, yes, last time I checked.
Oh,
Oh, we've looked everywhere for you, even in outer space.
Where is Ari? Ari is here!
And Super Tinker found him!
Yay!
Look, up in the sky, it's Action Hero.
If I'm gonna be an action hero, I need to be strong. Big steps, strong arms. If I'm gonna be an action hero, I need to be brave. Stand tall, look great, jump up, jump down, high off the ground, fly all around. 1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. Oh, oh, you and me, we can be action heroes. Oh, oh.
With a flash before your eyes, Action Hero zooms right by.
1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. If I'm gonna be an action hero, I'll need to be fast. Quick arms, quick legs. If I'm gonna be an action hero, I'll need to be smart. Look out here, look out there, jump up, jump down, high off the ground, fly all around. 1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. Oh, oh, you and me, we can be action heroes. Oh, oh.
Faster than an aeroplane, built just like a speeding train.
1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. With a will of steel and a heart of gold, everyone's hero, young and old. Action hero,
A million people can't be wrong.
action hero.
Action Hero, you're the one.
1, 2, 3, let's all be action heroes. Let's all be action heroes. Let's all be action heroes. Let's all be action heroes.
You're my hero, Action Hero.